Done. Your member $100. Oh my goodness. She have a lot of videos there because uh, that's her what we call with that for she need income, guys. So that's why I try to share her link. So if you want to help her also, and yeah, that's it. Don't do posting no call pa. Yes, you fit. So keep, what's that? Oltardo? Huh? Capri Oltardo. What is that? No, give me here. Yes, give me here. Shoe fit. Oh, where is the gift? My feet very small. Look. You want to see my feet? Oh, very small. Small. That's Filipino feet. Oh, enough na. Yes. Saan na yung super chat ni mo, Tobias? Tobias. Tobias, where is your super chat? I'll show you guys my feet already. I love souls. Oh, you love souls. Sis Alma, hello. Miss you. Hello. Day Alma, I miss you, Day. Busy si Alma. Busy gig always si Alma. Na busy. Your feet look mabaho. Yes, mabaho. Oh, my feet look mabaho. Look. What's the color of my nails, guys? What's the color? Busy kaayo. Margie is so sexy. Busy kaayo. Training ko sa kauban. Oh. Color green. Color green. No, it's colorless, guys. Colorless. 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 Ana lang po. Mura magkuanan. Pataas-taas na to. Okay. Ang hangin, mag-ana-ana ba? Kita akong kuan paa. O, dili na no. Wala na no. Tobias, don't get too excited. Shoot 10 minutes feet. Oh, it's enough, Tobias. Busy ko ugma, day. Filipina feet are the best. Oh, how did you know that? Why Filipina? Why Filipina feet is the best? For what ano? What we call with that? Give us an example. like my feet, guys. My feet, the size is 35 size anyway. Philippine. Hi L3, hello. Yeah, look at my heels shoes. It's very very cute size. Yeah, it's very cute size. Yeah. That's a Filipina size fit, guys. So cute. Cute siya.